And how's it going, everybody? Tony here at FX Street. Today I'm going over Ripple against the US dollar. Before we get into this video, make sure you guys know, check us out on YouTube, FXS Street, Twitter, FXS Crypto. I'm personally on TM Charts 100, post up some trade setups and some on-chain analysis stuff. Thank you for those who've already joined. All right. Yeah, XRP. Yeah, so I have been playing this chart pretty frequently. I've been trading it, playing the range, playing the impulsive moves. It's been very good. Yeah, so I have this here, 1 day in 12 hours. The reason I had that, basically, I'm thinking if this was really the start of wave 5, then that would have mean that it should only take 3 to 4 times as long. So yeah, it took 4 times as long, and now the rally it's on its way. But now what I'm thinking is here. I'm thinking that this structure here that a lot of people are seeing is not real. I think it's a trap. So a lot of people are waiting for a pullback, and they might end up placing a stop here. And a lot of people will then buy the breakout here, or they'll actually enter somewhere down here. I think that all of this is subject to fail. I think this is not actually a triangle. And the reason I think that it's just because of how long the proportion is taking. Yeah, how long it's taking. So this is actually where I have wave 1 here, and which means that this Fibonacci target at 40 cents, which hasn't been tagged yet, it's still very, very possible. I think that 40 cents is going to get tagged. I think it has a lot of space to fall. So I think this is all a trap. Now, if this does end up breaking the B up here at 51 cents, which it looks like it will, then I will say that, yeah, it has more chance to actually be in wave 5. So I would love to see some kind of alteration here, but this is probably going to be going for wave 5. Now, wave 1 was a regular wave here, and wave 3 extended. So I'm not expecting wave 5 to extend. I thought 56 cents was a good place to aim, and 61 cents has a significant confluences. If you project from different levels in here, you can get a lot of confluence levels at 61 cents. So I think those 2 targets are good to aim for. If it does breach above 51, which it probably will tomorrow, it's probably in wave 5. Okay, but you got to remember that wave 5, it can always truncate. So you're trading wave 5, you're not trading wave 3. We traded wave 3, and we also traded this little B wave here the other day. All right, so we've been doing real good on XRP. Yeah, so I mean, there's nothing really, what else can I say here? It has room to fall, in my opinion. I think everyone's watching this chart, and a lot of people are now starting to go long. So, and a lot of people will expect that pullback. This was a B wave. It failed, and the volume is still less. So be very careful with this. You're trading wave 5, and it can end anywhere. It doesn't have to really correlate to fibs. It can end anywhere. It's wave 5. I'm still personally thinking that this is wave 4. If B does not get broken, I believe 40 cents will get tagged in the future. So it's a nice short, and a 20% decline would be a nice entry, and to then take it back up towards 51 and potentially 56. So this is your update on Ripple against the US dollar. Make sure you guys know YouTube, FXS Street, Twitter, FXS Crypto, TM Charts 100, and I will see you guys on the next one.